When you're out filming, one of the things that you want to make sure that you do is grab some sound effects. And you can use your shotgun mic on top of the camera and just grab some different ambiances and different elements that you are encountering when you're out making your video. I've found that when I get back to my edit, there's a lot of different situations where I wish I had more audio because I need to either cut out the audio or I need to try to make it seamless somehow, and I need some kind of layers underneath what's going on just to clean everything up. And when I was out in Death Valley, there was a lot of just missing audio. Part of the reason was like when we were at camp, we were just having conversations, me and my buddies, and I can't use any of that audio because it doesn't really make sense for the story. So I had to cut all that out, but now I have all these holes I need to fill. And the same thing, when I was driving through Death Valley, there's a lot of moments where it would have been great to use the sounds of my Jeep driving, but all I had was my music that I was playing out of my speakers. And I couldn't use that because it doesn't fit the scene. It's also copyrighted music. So I needed to fill all that with sound effects. And it's always just a good habit to get in the practice of getting some extra sound effects when you're out on location. So if there is the ocean, well, get 30 seconds of the ocean sounds for that particular ocean, because every ocean is going to sound a little bit different, especially with the wind and maybe like a train in the background, like whatever's at that location might change. So also if something specific happens, like if you're driving Jeeps through the desert, it might be a good idea to get some sound effects of just your Jeep driving. So make sure that when your camera's on a tripod and you're driving past it, there's no like music blaring out the window to mess up that sound. Just always be conscious of sound because it is so important in the edit. Next, you need to watch this video right here. It's all about creating better shots of yourself when you're out filming alone.